wondering why your YouTube videos are not getting views like they used to? Maybe you have worked so very hard on your content, but suddenly your views dropped and YouTube doesn't seem to recommend your videos anymore. Just like me, I stumbled on 2 videos the other day on YouTube. I watched them. After watching them, the 2 videos are talking about this same thing that I want to mention now. So I quickly ran to my YouTube studio, the desktop version of it, and I checked. True, I've not set all those things up. That was why my views have been fluctuating all this while. So I quickly set them up just few days ago. It's not been long. So I said, let me share with you. So if you are having this kind of problem, don't worry, you're not alone. And the good news is that there is something you can do about them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. We will also talk about a few very important things on the YouTube studio that can help you get views or get your videos seen by people or your audience, your rightful audience, because it's not everybody that your video is meant for. You understand? And these are small changes that can make a big difference. How often YouTube recommends your videos or your content. So when your videos stop being recommended, your views will drop. It will also affect your watch hour, your audience. That is the possibility of your audience seeing your video. All these things will go down, but with the right settings and strategy, you can turn things around within a short while. So I will also be explaining how YouTube algorithm works and what it looks like when choosing which video to show on the home page, search or suggested videos. And once you understand all these things, you will be able to optimize your thumbnail, your title, your hashtags, your description, and even your content, so that your video will be in a better chance of being seen by people. So whether you're a small content creator just starting out, or you have been uploading your content for a while but you notice that you're stuck at a place, this video is for you. You don't need special skill or advanced skills for you to do this. You don't need special whatever or tools for you to do this thing that I'm about to show you now. All you need is your phone, your YouTube studio, that is the desktop version of it. If you're using your phone, then your time, just little time. That's what you need. And I will advise you, if you can, while watching this video, you can get another phone and be doing the exact thing you're watching, so that you will not forget. You understand? So if you're ready to grow your channel or boost your visibility or get more views, click on the subscribe button if today is the first day you're coming across my channel, and follow me. Let's dive into this video. So guys, we are in our YouTube studio now. What this method I'm about to show you now, or how I'm about to put you through now, is what you need to do, or how you're going to optimize your content, your video, whenever you want to post, or after posting your videos. That's why I always advise people not to put your video on public immediately after posting. You have to put it on private, or you unlist the video. Then you now have enough time to optimize all these things I'm about to show you now, because all these things will enable YouTube to forward your video, to distribute your video, to make it visible to your audience. So it's very important that you come here and optimize your videos. You understand? So we are in our YouTube studio now. We are using a phone, use Chrome version, a laptop version of this thing. So here you have to choose any of your video. Let's say you have uploaded. You can upload your video through YouTube, normal YouTube, or your YouTube studio, but make sure you go to Chrome. Make sure you use desktop version to update all these things that I'm about to show you now. Is very important. So let's assume we are uploading this video. We have uploaded it on our phone. Then we now come here and click on it. Then click the pencil. I'll have to zoom in so that it will be visible. So the first optimization now you're seeing here is the title. So you write your title, include keywords, searchable keywords that will enable whenever people search for any related content, your own will pop up because it has that keywords that people are looking for. You understand? The second one is description. It's just the same thing as the title. The same way you included all these keywords, you have to include it here. And if you notice, I also included hashtags, so it's very important. In one of my videos, I will make another video where I will show you how YouTube is recommending some of my content with people, even with hashtag. Some people find some of my videos with hashtags, so it's very important you optimize all those things. So after then, you have to put your thumbnail. This is the thumbnail now. You have to put your thumbnail. Then after putting your thumbnail, obviously you have to have a playlist for your normal content, for your shorts, and for your live stream. So you have to put all your thumbnail in their respective playlist, all your videos, so to say. So I'm having kata. So after then, the next thing now is the video is set for who. If your content is all about, maybe it's cartoon or children's, this, you have to put it is, yes, it's made, you have to check yes, it's made for kids. But if it's not, you check no, it's not meant for kids. You understand? So after that one, you now click on show more. All these things very important. So this paid promotion is saying that if any brand or maybe someone is running advert with your content contains any advert from any brand or anybody, you have to check the box. If not, you leave it like that. Then the next one now is altered content. So it's telling you here that if your content is made by AI tools and all those stuff, you have to check yes. Or your content is portraying false whatever, all those stuff is not your content is not real, whatever, just check yes. If not, if your content is originally made by you, check no. So you now come down to automatic chapters, featured places, and automatic concepts. These ones, they are the key chapters. That's the key moments in your videos. YouTube will by YouTube, that is, YouTube will use their hand to show the key moments in your videos where you made some points, so that it will be easier for people to just click on that particular place they want to listen to instead of going through the whole video. So if you don't want it like that, you uncheck. If you want it like that, some people, they do it by themselves, watching their videos, then start listing where their key moment is, then start typing it in the description. But if you check it here, YouTube will do it for you. You understand? So here, tags, you have to include every tag that is related to that. If you don't know how to find tags, you can ask your ChatGPT. I made a video about this thing. I made a video concerning this thing. Can you suggest a searchable keywords or SEO, that is search engine optimization tags that I will be using for my videos? The ChatGPT will do that for you. So you have to include all the tags. My video is based on Restream. So if you look at the tags and even the hashtag that I showed you before, you'll be seeing Restream tutorial. So anybody watch time hack, watch hour, all those stuff is related to what the video is all about. So that anybody that search it or came to YouTube and start searching for it, my video will pop up too. You understand? That's the essence of all these things. Then here, language and caption certification. There, obviously your video is in English and the title is in English. So this one doesn't mean. Then recording date, this one I don't think is even necessary. But yeah, where you're seeing United States of America, if you want YouTube to distribute normally YouTube will distribute your video to many places. But if you have specific place that you want YouTube to push your video more, you understand, you will write it here, video location, so that YouTube will focus on that place. If not, leave it like that. The license and distribution, obviously I know our content is based on standard YouTube license, but if it's Creative Commons, you can put it. That is, Creative Commons means that your content is free to be used by anybody. But if you don't want that, leave it on standard YouTube license. Then distribution should be everywhere. You understand? So after that one, you see embedding. This embedding is very important. If you go to Google to search for some things, if you notice, some people's YouTube videos will pop up in Google because they checked this embedding in their videos. That's why their videos are used in the Google too. So if you like your video to be embedded like that, at least when you embed it, it will have more chances of going viral. You understand? So if you want it like that, you check. If you don't want it, uncheck. Then publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. People that are subscribed to your channel already, if you check this button, whenever you upload this video, they will get notification that so person uploaded a video. So if you want it like that, check. If not, uncheck. Then automatic dubbing. This one is the new feature that is enabling many people's video now to go viral as a massive viral. You understand? Because dubbing, you know, your English, let's say your video is in English language, a Chinese cannot watch your video because of language barrier. A German or an Italian cannot watch it because of the language. So if you check this dubbing now, they will be able to watch this video in their own language. You understand? So if you don't want it like that, uncheck. If not, check it. Me, I checked and I'm seeing the difference since I started checking it. You understand? So although sometimes they will tell you that the translation might, you know, it's AI that do the translation. It might contain all these inappropriate languages, but normally me, I check. If you don't want it like that, uncheck, because if you check it, your video will have more potential of going viral. Many people will see it, even people that are not speaking. Because this particular video that I'm using to teach you, if you come to my YouTube analytics, as in the analytics, I built the audience. Yes, the analytics, a Vietnamese watched the video because it shows me that non-subscribers watch, English speakers watch, then a Vietnamese, of course Italians, because I'm in Italy already, so Italians is written there. People that watch it in their own language is written there. So if you check it, your video will have more potential of going viral. You understand? So if you don't want it, you can leave it like that. Then short remixing, you can allow, if you want people to use your video to remix for short video and audio, you check. If you want only for audio, you check. If you don't want, check don't allow. But me, I check, because when some people use your video, obviously they cannot carry your video and post on normal video. They can only use it for short is just few seconds. You understand? And when they use it, it's indirectly bringing people back to my channel. You understand? So I always allow video and audio. They should do with it whatever they wish. Then this category is very important. You should know where your content belongs. If, like, my content is all about YouTube growth, YouTube monetization, and making money online. So if you watch, normally it's how to, you understand? So that is where my category is for. If you don't know how to know where your own category falls, you can look for all these big YouTubers that are doing the same thing you're doing, then copy their thing, go to Google, type metadata viewers, then click that link there, then go through the tags and the category. You see, that is all these big YouTubers that are doing what you're already doing too. Do this thing I told you now. Go to Google, type metadata viewers, then paste their video link that you copied. Then it will show you where their own category falls. Automatically, that is where your own falls. If you don't know how to do it, if you still want me to do video about it, just drop your comments on the comment section and I will do video about it. You understand? So apart from that category, the comments and rating, if you want your comment to be on, you leave it there. Then moderate, you understand. Then show how many viewers like this video. Obviously I will check. So we are not done. You now come here. You now come here. Yeah. Here he's talking about okay, because my video is uploaded to. If not, I normally leave it as unlisted, or I'll leave it in private. You understand? YouTube are finished checking their own. You see where they wrote restrictions, none. They are finished doing their work. You understand? If not, while you are uploading where your video is uploading and you are doing all these things, it will be showing. Maybe my own used to say one found, that is one restrictions found, but after everything, is because it's still on the process. But now the video is out there, that's why I don't have any restriction. Then subtitle, you can put your video on subtitle, but since it's already on dubbing, I don't think I need this one. If you need it, you can do. Then end screen is all this video that pops up towards the end of the video you are watching. If you are watching any video, towards the end you see maybe a playlist or video that will pop up there. That is end screen. So you click on this thing, you choose whether you want to choose by yourself, choose video that you want to use as end screen by yourself, or you want YouTube to do it for you. Sometimes I normally leave it for YouTube to put for me, because YouTube already know what that is. If someone is watching a particular video, YouTube will already know which video that person is likely to watch next. So YouTube will now be the person to recommend any of my videos to that end, direct any of my videos to the end screen. If not, you can choose to do it yourself. Before I used to do it myself, but now, at least by the last 2 videos I posted, I think I left it like that. So then cards is another thing. Cards is that when you start watching someone's video, there is all this letter that pop up on the top of the screen. Those ones are cards. You can choose any of your video as card. You can choose your playlist as card, so that when people are watching, if that one pop up, if they are still interested in that, the title of the video they saw, they can click on it and watch the same video. Me, I like putting playlist, so that whenever the person is watching playlist, after one video finish playing, the next one will continue. So all these things are what, and remember, after each settings, click on save or publish. Make sure you click on save. You're seeing save here. Make sure you click on it and save it. If not, all these things you did will be a waste for you. So make sure you click on save. So I think if you do this, you will see changes. I mean, they tell you. So with this, I think this is not, as in this optimization, this one is just about the ones you do when you are uploading your videos. I will still do a video where you can, this is your channel, as in you need to optimize it with keywords, with tags, hashtags, and every other thing. You need to put it in your channel. You understand? I will still make a video about that one separate, but this one is the process you need to go through. Whenever you can't just make videos and leave it, post it like that. No, you cannot just, your video might be okay, but if you don't give YouTube enough reason or enough or enough clue of where YouTube will channel your video, your video might not go far. So you have to optimize it very well. You understand? So if I give you any value after watching this video, click on subscribe button. If today is the first day you're coming across my channel, then leave your comment on the comment section. If you don't know how to add end screen and card, leave your comment. Tell me in the comment section, so that I can do the video and post for you guys. You understand? And see you guys in my next one. Bye.